I found these e-bikes in a Walmart store. Walmart has sold e-bikes online for a long time, but I've never seen them in the store until now. So these two here are 20 mile an hour Concord e-bikes. One of them, on the gray one there, is a folding e-bike. It's got a full set of gears, like a 1x in the front and probably 7 or 8 speeds in the back with the rear hub motor. It folds in half there, and it's called the Concord Urbanfold model with little 20-inch wheels on it, so you could put it in the back of your car and fold it up. There's the info on it if you want to look it up. See, the battery looks removable in the back there. And then the big Concord, the Concord Electric Commuter bike, is a step-through model, full-size bike for an adult with a nice low seat that you can raise up pretty high there, and you can step through in the middle. It's got cable-actuated disc brakes. These are both 20-mile-an-hour e-bikes. I believe they're class 2. I think that's the correct class for them. You can look at the tag, or you can look it up on Walmart's website to be sure. And then Huffy's got a couple of entries here. There's a mountain bike style one on this side with knobby tires, suspension fork there, and also mechanical cable-actuated disc brakes on it. And then you can see next to it, on the other side, there's a street model of this same bike. And then it's just typical rear hub motor back there, kind of a small one. I believe it's a 350-watt motor on it. And then if we step over here, you can see the more streetable tired version here, the street version of the Huffy with a step-through design. So that's similar to that Concord Commuter. It's a Huffy commuter bike built for people to commute with fenders. Doesn't come with a luggage rack, it looks like, but you do get fenders. Set of gears there in the back. There you go, the Cadence, Huffy Cadence e-bike. You can go up to 40 miles, 350-watt motor, so not a lot of power, 20 mile an hour top speed, but they do put throttles on them. That's a shifter, but there's a throttle over here. That one has a display as well. So Walmart e-bikes, yay.